Hello guys, I am your host, Ankush, and welcome to Skill Silly. I am very excited to have you here again. So sit back, relax, and let's start the topic. Blogging has never been more popular. With millions of people sharing their thoughts, ideas, and passions online. But how do you start a blog that stands out? In this video, I'll show you how to create a blog that captivates your audience and sets you apart from the crowd by following some easy steps. The first step in starting a blog is finding a topic that you're passionate about and that your target audience will be interested in. Do your research, find out what topics are popular, and choose a theme that you can write about with ease. Once you have your topic, it's time to gather information and research your subject matter. This will help you write a well-informed and engaging blog post that your audience will love. Organization is a key in blog writing. Creating an outline for your blog post, including an introduction, main body, and conclusion, will help you streamline your thoughts and ideas and make your blog post easy to read. Let's see a sample of blog from a blogger, Mr. Ankush Demon. In this blog you will find the all basic outlines like a suitable title, descriptive image, introduction, main body, and conclusion at last. This is a nice example of a blog post. I will give a link of this blog in description for reading it in depth. You can also pause the video and see the outline of the blog by taking the screenshot. So let's proceed further. Crafting the introduction. The introduction is the first impression your audience will have of your blog post. Make it count by starting with an attention-grabbing statement and providing background information on your topic. The introduction is a critical part of a blog post as it sets the tone for the rest of the content. It is essential to make a good first impression on your audience by starting with a statement that will grab their attention. This statement can be a provocative question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement that relates to the topic of your blog post. The introduction should also provide background information on the topic, so that the reader understands what the post is about and what they can expect to learn from it. This way, you can set the context for the rest of the content and keep your audience engaged. By crafting a strong introduction, you can entice your readers to continue reading and keep them interested in your blog post. Developing the main body. The main body of your blog post is where you present your ideas and insights. Use headings, subheadings, and examples to illustrate your points and keep the language clear and concise. Concluding the blog post. In the conclusion, summarize your main points and leave your reader with a strong impression of your argument. This is your final chance to make an impact, so make it count. Revising and proofreading. After you've completed your draft, it's important to revise and proofread your blog post. Check for spelling, grammar, and style errors, and make any necessary changes. Publishing the blog post. Once you're satisfied with your blog post, it's time to publish it on your website or blog platform. Make sure to promote your blog post on social media and other online channels to reach a wider audience. Blogging can be an enjoyable and rewarding experience, but it also requires hard work and attention to detail. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you'll be able to write a compelling blog post that engages and informs your audience. Happy blogging! Thank you for tuning in to Skill Silly. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our channel. We are dedicated to bringing you the best content to help you improve your skills and achieve your goals. Your support means the world to us, and we can't wait to continue this journey with you. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning with Skill Silly.